Ooh, YouTube. Hi, Bella. Today we're gonna be playing Among Us again. I'm dodging here on the ground, and my neck is just so that when I get imposter, well, after the round, I'm imposter, right? Come together, friends. Wait, guys, I'm gonna find another game that's gonna be more fun. We will be complete. The job is complete. I don't know what. Yeah, I'm singing. Hee hee. Jordan can cast song do test. Song Kirsten chat. Boom boom boom. Wait, let's do this. After this round. Come together, friend. We will be complete. Right, that's the shortest Among Us video I ever done. Also, tomorrow I'm gonna do videos after school, okay? Alright, love you lots, my subscribers and viewers. I mean, like, you. Also, please check that if you're subscribed. Yes, you watching this. Please. It will help me a lot. I did a 24 subscriber special. I really want to do like a 30 subscriber special. Help me get to my subscriber goal, please. So thank you for still staying and watching the whole entire video. I'm gonna end the video now and stop wasting your time. Yeah, bye.